You own a business looking to create awesome website for it. Then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduced you Usdt Cash TV. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Usdt Cash are expert in services like graphic designing. They will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth.
Everyone, welcome once again. Today we have meet again and we have to talk about a new platform that is willing to pay you. Now this one is a platform that everyone knows. This is a platform called Telegram. Now Telegram is offering an investment grade which you can invest to double your money. It is money doubling platform, so you earn based in percentage. So if you check in my previous videos, I did a video about Trust Wallet where I was telling you to stake your money than investing it in a bank, that you earned 14% commission within 2 weeks out of the money you've invested. This is something similar to this. So for us not to waste time, let's jump into this video. So check in the description of this video, there is a link there, or the comment section, there is a link there. The first link that is pinned there, just type on it. It will take you to Telegram channel like this. Now it will bring you to a space. So when you type the link under a video, there will be a video to explain this better. So type the link under it. Now when you type the link, it will bring you to a space like this. Just press on start now and they'll ask you to launch. Because I've already launched it, so you just type on launch and it will bring you to a space like this. They'll ask you to start. Now you press on start, get started. So your account has been registered like that. This is because Telegram is the one sponsoring this. They call it Kraken staking. Kraken what? Staking. So you are going to stake. Let me read the steps for you. They said, one, specify the desired investment amount in the USDT. The number of days is optional by default. The deposit is perpetual. So you can even take 1 month, but you can withdraw it in 1 day. That's why they said it's what? Optional. So by default the deposit is what? Perpetual. So for the deposit, you deposit it like $10 plus. So when you use it to invest or stake, the stake simple means give them your money, let them use it to do some work. Within some hours or days, they'll pay you a commission they'll earn from the work they are doing. So they'll add it to your capital which you've invested into it. So in bank is what? Investment, but in crypto is what? Staking. So this is it. Now we have here recharge and withdraw. So we also have the referral there to be able to refer and earn money. So let's come to where this staking is. When you stake 10 CDs in 1 day, you are going to earn 1.50 USDT. So if you stake this, you earn 1.50 USDT per what? Day. So if it takes for 1 month, let's say 1 month like this, 1 month is going to be 30 days. So you are going to earn 45 USDT per month. So that is how it is going to be. So this is all about this platform. This one will not take long, and this is something nice. As far as it is a social media public website like this, I know this will last long. So if you have some 10 USDT in any of your wallet or more than that and you want to use it for anything, don't hesitate, just go straight to it and use it to stick in, and you earn something from it and you love it. Thank you, and I'll be doing more about this, and I'll invest and show you my staking, and every day I'm to withdraw, I'll make a video to show you. So let's continue to come to this channel and watch videos like this. Subscribe to join this family, and don't forget to follow my Telegram channel. So when you take you to the Telegram channel, just follow it, because I'll be dropping tips in it. Thank you.